What's up fam, Mohammed Owais here from Travelovervlogs. Today we are tackling a huge question that so many people have asked me, especially if you're a fresh graduate, undergraduate, I'm thinking about a step in aviation with like an MBA or a master's degree. Here's my answer. You should go for MBA in aviation management right after your bachelor's degree, and my answers will be unfiltered and it's a big no. Probably you were not ready for it, I know. But I get it. You finish your undergrad, you are very hyped. You want to climb the ladder of the career. Everyone's talking about higher education, getting an extra age. And sure, an MBA sounds an ultimate power for it. And especially like field like aviation industry. People also think that more degree equals to more success and faster. But let me tell you a truth, okay? From beginning of a trend, from being in the trenches, talking to the people of leaders in the aviation industry, setting up my own business in aviation called Cipro Avi, the ground is little different. Here's the truth no one will tell you out. The aviation industry requires in entry level and mid levels craves for skills and experience, not just the paper. You should have a hands-on reality. This isn't just a theory. It's a people who understand about customer operation, how to move cargo, airport security, functions, maintenance by doing in the industry, by being there day in and out. Problem solvers, not just thinker. MBA teaches you the frameworks, which can be a great strategy. But earlier, you need to tackle the problems that comes from where you're getting the dirty hands, like in the real world. You have to be in the real world. Making your MBA matters. Like imagine you're trying to understand the complex supply chains, optimization of MBA classes. You never ever seen a cargo. I mean, you're manifesting it if you are just an undergrad and you're going to MBA. I mean, think about it. You are going for finance, marketing, but you never hands-on any experience, and you're just doing it and upgrading your skills, which you don't have. Are you connecting my dots? The next is networking. When you are in the industry, your network is not just your classmate, not your colleague, your managers. Everyone is your network. This is where the people who are actually open the door, the people who enhance the network. But you need a foundation for experience, truly meaningful connections, and also the real world. Let's be real, MBA is super expensive, right? Rushing into MBA can also significant debt without intimate salary jump or career clarity experience of an aviation industry. Get some skin in the game, earn some money, and then invest it. Okay. And now what makes sense right now is, now you don't get me wrong that I'm not telling you MBA is wrong or don't go for MBA. Far from it. An MBA is really powerful when you use it at the right time. Okay. So what you should do first in the mid career when you want to jump for an MBA is usually for the leaders, like senior leaders, strategy roles, C suites, something like that. And if you're looking for the transition in from one aviation sector like aviation maintenance to airline management, that can be helpful for it. I mean, but you're working in the industry. Entrepreneurship, if you want to start a business in aviation industry from founder like myself, it offers crucial understanding about global business strategy, finance, marketing dynamics, the components of industries, the specific experience. The key is to see as multiple, not just starting a gun. Are you getting it? So if not an MBA is the right way, what should be doing? First, get your hands dirty. Apply for the entry levels. Apply for the internship. Apply for the RAM, customer, officer, dispatch. Understand the fundamental of aviation industry. Okay, and then focus on acquiring the tangible project management certification in the aviation industry from IATA and many other courses, which can help you to immediate valuable in the industry, which can help you to be boost in the industry as not being an MBA only. Network yourself a lot. Go to the industry events, connect on the LinkedIn, find networks more, ask thoughtful questions, whatever you are in the particular field in the aviation industry. Lead and learn is consistency. Subscribe to aviation letters, read industry. You can talk to me if you want. I can make you connect to thousands of people who are there in the industry from many backgrounds. Build your own personal brand. Use platform like LinkedIn. Why are you doing why are you doing what are you doing in the aviation industry? Why are you in aviation industry? Something like that. Tell the industry who are you. that can make you good. The aviation world is buzzing right now, the opportunities, but its rewards is smart, particular growth only for the people. Don't fall for pressure to rush into something, another degree, invest in yourself. Just now invest in yourself. Experiences matter. Experience is the key. The MBA will be true launchpad in the future, not just stepping over your tripped over bachelor's degree, just again to the masters. Do let me know what are your thoughts. Did you want to go for MBA right now, or now are you waiting for it? Let me know. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. For more insights, watch Travelovervlogs, Mohammed Owais. Until next time, keeping looking up for you guys. This is Mohammed Owais, Travelovervlogs, signing off.